Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I have kind of an exciting video for you guys. I have a really expensive Sephora Ulta haul. I don't know what happened. I just woke up one day and was like, I just want to buy new makeup. I was just like, honestly, I think that they sprinkle something in the air during this time of year that just makes us want to spend money. Like, I don't know if you want to call it holiday spirit. I don't know, but this really can't be holiday spirit because this is all for me. There is not one singular gift in this entire haul. But with that being said, I have Sephora right here. And then I have Ulta right here. I think there's about 3 Ulta orders here. And then just like one pretty big Sephora haul. So we're just going to get into this because we're going to be here for a minute. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into this because there's a lot. So I think I actually mixed like my Sephora and Ulta. So in this Sephora box, there's Sephora and Ulta in here. So that's fine. And then there's Ulta all by itself over there. So yeah, there's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna start with like the biggest item. So this, I've spoke about this a bunch of times. This is a candle from the brand Voluspa in this scent. I don't know how the heck you pronounce this scent, but I'm just gonna put it right here so you guys can read it. You guys, if you want your house to literally smell incredible, the best way that I can describe this is like fruity and like kind of florally, but just like very mature. Like it's not giving Bath and Body Works, it's giving like, this is my home, I'm an adult like type of vibe, and your entire house will smell like this. I absolutely love this. This is the only candle that I buy. I seriously need to go to like Anthropologie and smell more of these because I have like had other ones from this brand in the past, but I just keep going back to that one because she's just iconic and I love her, okay? Let's keep going. So I did buy a lipstick. So my girl Alessandra, Glam by Alessandra, she's on Instagram, TikTok, she's all over the place. She was wearing one day this beautiful nude lip in her like Instagram story, and I was like, spill the deets now. Like spill the deets ASAP because I need to know what it is. So she said it was this. This is from Makeup Forever. It's their Rouge Artist Forever lipstick in the shade 100 Empowered Beige. Now you guys, this is not for the faint of heart. If you are like a warm girly and you don't like a 90s lip or you don't like a nude lip, it's not gonna be for you. But this, you guys, is literally my ideal lipstick. This shade, I'm actually wearing it today mixed in with a lip liner and a lip gloss that I will get into, and the lip liner I'll share with you guys in a minute. But yeah, so I'm actually obsessed with this. It is a little too nude to wear like on its own, so you definitely need like a lip liner and like a gloss on top, in my opinion. And that's how I got this beautiful like plumped lip right now, and I'm just obsessed with it. But yeah, this again is my ideal like lipstick shade because I was born in the 90s, even though I was born like late 90s, but I love a good 90s lip. Like that is just me to the core, and I will never ever apologize for that. Anyways, so I'm gonna stick with like Sephora, obviously. So I did restock on my tried and true foundation. This is the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech foundation, and even though I'm not technically out of the one that I have had that for like well over like a year and a half. Like I think almost like 2 years I've had this. Whenever it launched is when I got it, and I'm like, I do think it's time to like replace her because I mean my skin is still looking flawless. I am wearing it today, but I was just like, I'm feeling some type of way like using that foundation over and over again since it is like pretty much 2 years old. So yeah, I did restock on it. By the way, I do wear shade Light 100 Neutral. And yeah, this is my favorite foundation of all time, favorite foundation. It's just good, she's reliable, she's long wearing, she's the GOAT, okay? Okay, so let's just stick with Haus Labs really quick. So their PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze, I feel like when these came out at the beginning of this year, these were all the rage, and now I feel like nobody talks about them. And truthfully, I don't know why. So I picked up the shade Praline. You guys, if you don't wanna have to think, where's my tweezers? Hold on. If you don't want to have to like think when you're applying your lipstick, then this is what you need. I literally went through this so quick because I would wear it at work because I would just pull it out of my pocket, apply it to my lips, and I would be done. So this is the shade. It is a very nice like chocolatey brown, and I just love this shade. I just like twitched. I ran out of this like I think like 6 months ago almost because I used it. I think this came out in like February and I ran out of it by like April or May. And I just hadn't repurchased it, and I was like, wait, why have I not repurchased it? I absolutely love this. It was so easy and convenient, especially for when I'm at work. So I went ahead oh my god, I just started choking. But I went ahead and repurchased it because it is a nice like plumping formula, but it doesn't give you that like burning plumping sensation. So you will have like a nice plumped lip with some color, and it's just a beautiful formula, and I absolutely love it. So I had to restock on it. And you guys, you know that I ride for the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, and especially in their original shade, they came out with a glitter of it, like the Citrus Suns. Hold on, I'm like having a moment. This is called the Citrus Sunshine Glimmer. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the box is very, very glittery. And you guys, I was like, I need to see what this is all about. Even the packaging has glitter in it. And I cannot wait to try this because I love this peptide lip treatment. It's literally, I have one in my vanity, one on my nightstand, one in my gym bag, one in my work bag. Like this follows me everywhere that I go. I am never without this because I cannot be without it. It's my favorite lip balm of all time. So yeah, I had to purchase this because I was like, what is this glitter hype about? I need to see. So I'm definitely excited to try that. I have spoke about these a million times. These are from Rare Beauty. These are their Fine Comfort Under Eye Patches. You guys, you get 8 pairs in here and it is $28. So it's definitely on the pricier side. But let me just say, if you wake up exhausted in the morning, you wake up tired, and you get up super early, like I repurchase these like crazy because I put these underneath my eyes at 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm going to the gym. So I literally go to the gym at like 5:45 in the morning and I'm exhausted. It's freezing outside. I am exhausted. So I constantly am putting this underneath my eyes and I just keep them in my fridge. And if you're looking for that morning pick-me-up, like if you're like me and you wake up and your eyes are burning or you're just tired, you have puffy eyes and you need something that's gonna pick you up, these. I literally cannot say enough good things about these. My favorite under eye patches of all time. I have gone through like 10, 20 boxes of these at this point. Like I just absolutely love these. And whenever I'm shopping on Sephora, I always just throw one in my cart because I cannot be without those. If I do not have those, I will not survive my 5 a.m. workout. So yeah, these are a non-negotiable. Like I love them. They're amazing. And then I did restock on this Living Proof Heat Styling Spray. So you guys, I was really messing up for a while. So I would put like obviously my leave-in treatments in, like my leave-in conditioner, my leave-in heat protectant. But when I would style my hair, I wouldn't use a heat protectant. I don't know why. I just thought that like what I was doing was enough. And then I was talking to my sister and I'm like, do you use a heat protectant like every time you style your hair? She was like, yeah, I always spray it with like a heat protectant spray. And I'm like, wait, so you're telling me that my leave-in is not enough? So I was like, okay, I need to start like honestly like putting it in every single time I do my hair. I wasn't really putting it in if I was using a curling iron, if I was using a waver, but when I was using my Dyson, I really wasn't using it. But you guys, I have noticed the biggest difference in the way that my hair looks. Like I haven't got my hair cut since September and honestly my ends look great because ever since I got my hair cut in September, I have been using this every single time I style my hair and I feel like my ends do not look as damaged as they usually would at like this point. So I really do feel like this is saving my hair and really helping it grow nice and long and healthy. So yeah, it was almost out of mine and I was like, no, we need to make sure that we have this on deck because I'm not trying to have damaged hair. Like it's not happening. The last item that I purchased from Sephora, these were on sale. And by the way, I did purchase this because everything was 20% off. Their 20% off just ended today. Today's the 15th. So they had like, I think like 10 days of like 20% off the entire store, no matter if you were VIB Rouge, like it was just their like usual holiday sale. So this was on sale already. And then with an additional 20% off, I was like, I need to get these. So these are the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Perfect Pair limited edition gloss set. So I know a lot of people like don't necessarily love these, but let me show you one of mine. So this is my current situation of the one that I currently have. I love these. I don't know what it is. Like I don't know why everybody like hates them. Like I personally love them. They're lightweight, they're hydrating, and I just really like how they like make your lips taste, if that makes sense. Like I don't know, they're just like they're nice and fruity and juicy. So I picked up this because I was like, I just need something in my vanity. So this is in the shade of Bubblegum, and then this one is in the shade Black Cherry. And wow, let me smell the Bubblegum one because I need to know what this smells like. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely giving bubblegum. Let's try the Black Cherry. I literally cannot wait to put these on my lips. And I know you're probably thinking like, don't you like nudes and like, isn't that out of your comfort zone? Yes, but I do love this formula because it's very lightweight and the color that you get doesn't really matter because it's really not going to show up like that. So I'm okay. I'm okay with those colors. That is everything from Sephora. So now let's move on to Ulta. So Ulta, I actually don't know why. Oh, I do know why. Okay. I was like, why did I place this random order? So this first order from Ulta is very, very random. So I have more under eye patches. These are from the brand Patchology. These are called their Served Chilled on Ice Firming Eye Gels. So I just got this because honestly I needed to get free shipping and this was like $5. I know that's kind of ridiculous for one eye patch, but I was like, what else am I gonna get? Like I was browsing the app for so long and I'm like, all right, it can't hurt to try more under eye patches. So I picked these up, and honestly I've never tried them before. I am excited to try them because they do sell like a big case of them like on the Ulta app. So if I like these, maybe I'll incorporate them with my Rare Beauty ones, but I don't know because these are just unbeatable. But yeah, I bought this honestly because I wanted free shipping. So then I picked up these. These are the Hydro Star Salicylic Acid Pimple Patches. This is from the brand Starface. So these are the ones that everybody wears that have like little stars. So I've never tried them before. I always buy the Hero ones, and you get 16 of the, you get 16 of these. So I was like, I don't really remember how much they cost, but I think I also bought that to get free shipping as well. And I picked up the new, this was the whole purpose of this first Ulta order. This was the new NYX Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner that's actually, oh my god, now it's probably broken. Actually what I have on my lips right now, so I have the Duck Plump Lip Liner, the Makeup Forever Empowered Beige, and then the original Duck Plump Lip Gloss. And that is how I got to these like nice plumped lips with this color. Like this lip combination I just did a whole TikTok on because I was absolutely obsessed with this when I tried this yesterday. So yeah, the whole purpose of this first Ulta haul was to try this, and I actually did pick up two, but they only sent me one. So now they're resending me my order of the one lip liner that they forgot to send me. So yeah, but do I like this? Yes, 1000%. This formula is so nice. It glides on your skin beautifully. I do think that it is a Too Faced dupe because I do have the plumping lip liner from Too Faced. I love that one. I do think that this can be a dupe for it. I'm currently obsessed with this. So yeah, I did buy another shade. I actually forgot the shade of what it was, but whenever it comes in the mail, I guess I'll just show you guys on TikTok, Instagram, wherever. Let's get into the last half of this haul. Okay, so I don't know what came over me when I bought this, but I was just like, we're gonna try this. Another Living Proof product. This is their dry shampoo. And I just was like, I don't know, I love Living Proof. I love their texture spray. I love their heat protectant. And this says it actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. So my hair does get really greasy and oily, and I do go to the gym a lot, so my hair gets very sweaty. So I'm interested to see how this works. So I will keep you guys updated if this is worth it or not, because this is expensive. I think this was like 30 bucks for this dry shampoo, so it's not cheap. So yeah, I'm very, very, very excited to try this. This next product, I did actually pick up two of them because if you guys don't know, I ride for this. This is from the brand Good Molecules. It's their hyaluronic acid boosting essence. And the reason I love this so much is because after I get out of the shower, after I cleanse my face, after I double cleanse, like sometimes, because I don't wash my hair every day, I do have makeup like left over in my hairline, and I will just put this on a cotton round and just go over my entire face for like that final like cleansing step to get off any excess makeup that I have, and my skin feels incredible every single time that I use this. So I cannot be without this. Like literally that's why I bought two, because every time I run out, I'm always like, I gotta go to Ulta, and then I always forget to go to Ulta. So I was like, this time we're not gonna run out and not have a backup. We're going to have a backup because that is what we do. We're girls. That's what we do. So then, speaking of backup, this, you guys, the shampoo from Pureology, this is their Smooth Perfection Smoothing Shampoo. I will not be without this shampoo. This is how I get my hair to look this shiny and smooth. I have very frizzy hair. My hair is just a mess, especially in the summer or in any type of humidity. And you guys, the way that I like combat that frizz is this shampoo, and obviously my leave-in products, but I notice the biggest difference in my hair when I don't use this shampoo. So if you have fine, frizzy, thin hair and you just can't figure out like what you're doing wrong, you're using all the right leave-in products, it's just not working, try this shampoo. I've been using it for 2+ years at this point. Me and my sister, we ride for this. Like this is our favorite shampoo. So I use this. I do use like 3 different shampoos when I wash my hair. I know I'm crazy, but I always use this as my last step in my shampooing routine. And this is how I get this nice, shiny, smooth, perfect hair. It's amazing. 10 out of 10, recommend. And I was running out of mine, so I was like, no, I'm a girl that has backups. Like I do not take chances. I am not running out of things like that. That's not what we do over here. We have backups upon backups upon backups because we're crazy, but that's neither here nor there. So the last item that I picked up is another product from NYX. So I don't know what it is with me, but I have a love-hate relationship with this concealer. So this is their Bare With Me Serum Concealer, and when it first came out, I was obsessed with it, and then I almost ran out of it, forgot about it, then I bought it again, loved it, and then I started to hate it, and I didn't know why, and then I was just on Ulta, and I was like, you know what, let me give it another shot, because I do remember when I first tried it, like I said, I loved it, and since it is wintertime here in New York, my under eyes are extremely dry, especially right now. I have like this dry patch right here, and I don't know what's going on with it, so I do need serum concealer. So this, I was like, okay, we need to repurchase it, we need to try it, because again, I just remember like absolutely loving it and then hating it. So I'm like, we need to revisit it and see why I have like a love-hate relationship with it. So yeah. Alright, so that completes this very excessive and unnecessary Sephora and Ulta haul. Like, definitely a lot of this was unnecessary, but in my personal opinion, I think it was all necessary because I needed backups, I needed restocks, I needed to try new things. Like, I just needed it all, okay? Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products. Are the holiday sales getting you too? Because I just feel like ever since like it's been December, I'm like in a spend mode, and only on myself. Like, gifts? What? We don't do gifts, no. I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is. I don't know what came over me the last like week and a half, but I was just like, like these sales just got to me, and I was like, all right, we're gonna buy some stuff that we need, okay? Yeah, so that wraps up this completely unnecessary but necessary Sephora and Ulta haul. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.